Welcome to ZK Auto Review, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specs, and features of classic cars from 1950 to 1975. If you love vintage automobiles, their history, and the engineering that made them special, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Chevrolet Nova, produced from 1962 to 1979, a car that left a lasting impact on the American automotive landscape. The Chevy Nova was introduced as a compact car designed to be simple, affordable, and efficient. Initially launched as the Chevy 2, the Nova name became a staple for performance and style as the years progressed. The first-generation Nova, from 1962 to 1965, featured a lightweight body with a variety of engine options, including an inline-six and a small block V8, making it a versatile choice for drivers looking for both economy and power. The second generation, from 1966 to 1967, saw a sleeker design with improved handling and performance. This is when the Super Sport SS package became more popular, offering more aggressive styling and bigger engines, including the legendary 327 V8. These years solidified Nova's reputation as a serious contender in the muscle car era. From 1968 to 1974, the third generation brought a complete redesign, with a longer wheelbase, a more muscular stance, and even more powerful engine options. The Nova SS from this era became an icon, featuring the 396 big block V8 that delivered serious horsepower. Chevrolet continued refining the model, offering performance enthusiasts a thrilling ride while maintaining the affordability that made Nova so appealing. The final years of the Nova, from 1975 to 1979, reflected changes in automotive regulations and consumer preferences. While horsepower was somewhat reduced due to emissions standards, the Nova remained a popular choice, offering a balance of performance and practicality. The introduction of luxury-oriented trims like the Concours showed Chevrolet's attempt to appeal to a broader audience. Throughout its production, the Chevy Nova proved to be one of the most adaptable and beloved cars of its time. Whether as an economical daily driver or a high-performance muscle car, it had something to offer for everyone. Today, it's a favorite among collectors and restorers, representing an era when American cars were built with simplicity, power, and style in mind. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic car reviews, be sure to subscribe to ZK Auto Review. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at legendary automobiles from the golden era of cars. Welcome to ZK Auto Review, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Ford F-150, one of the most popular and capable full-size trucks on the market. The latest model continues Ford's legacy of durability, performance, and innovation, offering a variety of trims and engine options to suit every driver's needs.